G'day lovelies, welcome back. Alrighty, today we're going to do a banana caramel pavlova. I know, right? First thing we want to do is preheat our ovens at 120 degrees Celsius. Grab out a large baking tray, put some baking paper on it, get out a 23 centimetre cake tin, grab a pen, mark around the circle so we know what we're doing. So I've already done mine, but you just can't see it on camera because I can only just see it. Now for the base, we need 6 large eggs or 7 small eggs, and we need to separate them all. We need 1 1/4 cups of caster sugar, and grab a tablespoon measurement and sit it in there. And besides a beater, that is all we need, folks. Once we've done that, set the egg yolks aside and we'll work out something to do with them later rather than wasting them. Now with the egg whites, we want to get out a medium bowl and chuck them in there. Alright, now we get our electric beaters out and we want to beat them up until soft peaks form. Alright, I bet that for a couple of minutes we've got it to look like this. Now what we want to do is grab our sugar with our tablespoon measurement, our caster sugar, and we want to beat on low and add 2 tablespoons of sugar at a time. Then we want to beat for about a minute, then add the next 2 tablespoons of sugar. So all up we want to be beating for about 10 minutes. Alrighty, 10 minutes and a pile of mess later, we've got our big thick goo. Alright, grab our tray and then we want to just dump it all right in the middle. Alright, once we've done that with the back of the spoon, I'm going to flatten it out to the edge of the circle. Alright, once I've got it out to the edge of the circle, now I'm just going to flatten out the rest and just try and get it evenly thick all over. Alright, once we've done that, we now bang it in the oven for an hour and a half. When the hour and a half is up, turn the oven off, don't open the door, leave it sitting there for 3 hours. After the 3 hours, we just crack our oven a little bit and just leave it for a half hour more. Alright, well I'm starving, I don't even remember the last time I ate. Okay, so we're going to use up the egg yolks. So what I'm going to do is add 1 whole egg to it. I chopped up a piece of bacon, a little bit of spring onion, a little bit of capsicum, a little dash of cream, cracked pepper, a little bit of cheese, whisk it up with a fork, little fry pan, medium heat, a little bit of butter or marge, bang our eggs in, a little bit of extra cheese on top. About a minute later, fold it over, squeeze a little bit out, whack in some toast, whack her on there. Lunch in a matter of minutes. Alrighty, pav's ready. I've never made a pav that doesn't crack yet. Alright, I hate this part. So just got to peel the bottom off and then make sure you've got a big enough plate. Alright, so a couple of pieces fell off the side here, but we'll glue it back together with some cream. No problems at all. Alrighty, what we need for the topping. So normally you'd get this caramel in the can, the Nestle's can, but they come in the squeezy bottles now, 450 gram squeezy bottle. So why not? So we need that for the top. I'm just going to get like a little bit of dark chocolate. I'm going to do what I always do, bang the kettle on, get a little saucepan out, pour some boiling water from the kettle, set a heat proof bowl on top, whack some chocolate in there and melt it down. I've got some flaked almonds. Alright, while that's melting down, I want to get a medium bowl. I want to grab some thickened cream, 1 1/2 cups. Now we need 3/4 cup of sour cream. Now we want to beat it up with an electric beater till soft peaks form, till it's thick. Okay, I've got 2 really big bananas, or you're going to need 3 smaller ones, alright? Now some people like to cut them long ways down the middle and just have 4 big long pieces and sit them on there. Me, I just like to slice them on an angle. Alright, let's put this bad boy together. First of all, I'm just going to stick that down. Just lift them up, sit them in place. Beautiful. So first thing I want to do is just drizzle some over it. from where it's falling apart. That way when I take it across the road, the rest looks perfect. Oh, listen to that little bit of crunch. Oh my God, mate. This is insane. Rough as gas. Oh, I've got to get one of those proper bloody things. Look at this. I don't know if you can see that. Oh my God, mate. Boom. Mate, that should be illegal. Oh, let's give it a crack. Oh my God, that is ridiculously good. Oh mate, you absolutely got to give it a crack. That base is absolutely freaking beautiful. The caramel, the banana, the chocolate, the almond, like, oh. Serves 8. Brilliant for Chrissy. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have yourselves an awesome night. And I'll see you soon. Toodles!